Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how you can run your own app where users can watch ads and complete tasks and earn reward. We build this Earn Kit app. Let me show you the app interface. Here is the app interface. Here is the balance section. Here is the watch ad section. User will click on this button to watch ads from Monitag and Adsgram. Also, here is the task section. User have to connect wallet and verify the wallet and complete other tasks. Here is the invite section, and we also can see the ads on our screen. Okay, here is the referral section, and here is the withdraw section. So user must have to verify the wallet, then he will able to withdraw. So here is the bot username, Earn Kit Reward Bots. If you want to test this bot how it's work, and this app also have admin dashboard where we can see the all data about the users, and we can manage the task here, add and delete tasks. Here is the more details about the users, and here is the withdraw section that we will get request from the users, so we can approve or reject the withdraw request. If you want to buy this app and run your own watch ads app, so you can buy the source code on our shop, defidragon.dev. Visit this website, and here is our shop, and we have many Telegram apps here like a Pay Plus clone, EarnKit and Coinzilla. You will click here on the checkout. Also you can see the detailed images, and this is Solana Pay, so you have to pay with Sol. Automatically the transaction will be confirmed and you will get the source code of this app. In kind of any trouble, issue or any information you need, you can contact us on our Telegram. Here is our contact for Telegram. Thank you.